The next question, question number 10. A player throws a ball upward with an initial speed of 29.4 meter per second. Calculate first. What is the direction of the acceleration during the upward motion of the ball? Second, what are the velocity and acceleration of the ball at the highest point of its motion? Third, choose the x equal to 0 meter and t equal to 0 second to be the location and time of the ball at its highest point. Vertically downward direction to be the positive direction of x-axis and give the sign of position, velocity and acceleration of the ball during its upward and downward motion. And D part, to what height does the ball rise and after how long does the ball return to the player's hand. Take g equal to 9.8 meter per second and neglect air resistance. So student, initial velocity of the ball which is thrown by the player in vertically upward and g which is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, and we have to find four answer. First answer, that is what? First question, what is the direction of the acceleration during the upward motion of the ball? And student, you know that ball is moving under the influence of the gravity, acceleration due to gravity. So ball is moving under the influence of the gravity. So, and this acceleration which is acting vertically, what? Downward direction. So what is the direction of the acceleration during the upward motion of the ball? That is downward direction. First answer is downward. So acceleration during the upward motion of the ball which is acting downward. Second, what are the velocity and acceleration of the ball at the highest point of its motion? So when the ball is reaches to a highest point, its final velocity is 0 and acceleration which is acceleration due to gravity which is 9.8 meter per second square and which is acting vertically downward. So at highest point final velocity, that is what? 0, and acceleration which is 9.8 meter per second acting vertically downward direction. So highest point velocity of the ball, that is what? 0, and acceleration which is acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square and which is acting downward direction. Third point, choose the x equal to 0 and t equal to 0 second to be the position and time of the ball at its highest point. X equal to 0 and t equal to 0. Vertically downward direction to be a positive direction of x-axis. This will be what? Positive. So vertically downward direction is positive direction of x-axis, and we have to find, give the sign of position, velocity and acceleration of the ball during its upward and downward motion. So first of all, for upward motion, position, that is what? Vertically downward direction which is taken to be positive direction of x-axis, and upward direction which is taken to be what? Negative direction of x-axis. So for upward motion, position, that is what? Position which is taken to be what? Negative. Position, that is what? Negative, and velocity is also, that is what? Negative in upward direction. But acceleration due to gravity, ball is moving under the influence of the gravity and acceleration due to gravity always acting vertically downward, either upward motion or downward motion. So here direction of acceleration, that is what? Acceleration, that is what? Upward motion, that is what? Positive. And student, for downward motion, all three are, that is what? Positive. So for downward motion, position, that is what? Position which is taken to be what? Positive direction of x-axis, velocity which is also positive, and acceleration which is acting already downward direction. So in both the cases acceleration which is positive. So here acceleration which is positive, and this acceleration, that is what? Acceleration due to gravity. So for upward motion, position negative, velocity negative, acceleration which is acting vertically downward direction, so it taken to be positive according to the condition. Next student, to what height does the ball rise and after how long does the ball return to the player's hand? So now I am finding the last part of this question, how high the ball rise. So student, fourth part, how high the ball rise. So when ball is thrown by the player, it reaches to the maximum height, its final velocity, that is what? Final velocity, that is what? 0. And we have to find h max, and initial velocity, that is what? According to sign convention, in upward direction, initial velocity which is what? Thrown by the initial velocity of the ball in upward direction which is taken to be what? Negative, and g acceleration due to gravity which is acting in this condition either upward direction or downward direction which is taken to be what? Positive. So we have to find the maximum height acquired by the ball. So we use the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as. So v, that is what? 0, u, that is what? Minus 29.4 whole square and plus 2, and here a, that is what? Which is acceleration due to gravity, and its value 9.8 meter per second square, and which is taken to be what? Positive. And here s, that is what? H, and we put h max. H max. So after transferring here, it becomes positive, but it comes out to be that 24 into 29.4, and student 2 into 9.8 into h max, and after solving this, it comes out to be that 29.4 into 29.4 by 2 into 9.8, which is h max. After solving this, it comes out to be that minus 44.1 meter, that is what? H max. And this maximum height which occurs minus 44.1 meter, it means distance covered, negative sign shows that distance covered in upward direction, and it comes out to be that 44.1 meter. And last point, what the time taken by the ball to return to the thrower hand. And student, in this case, already we know that in case of a displacement, when the final and initial point of a body coincide, then displacement of the object is what? 0. When the ball is thrown in vertically upward and ball return to the thrower hand, it means displacement of the ball throughout journey, that is what? 0. So let t be the total time taken by the ball return to the thrower hand, and we use the formula h equal to ut plus half gt square, student. And here total displacement of the ball after returning to the thrower end, so it becomes, that is what, 0, and initial velocity in vertically upward direction, that is what, according to sign convention given in this question, which is taken to be negative, so 29.4 into t plus half, and value of g, that is what, 9.8 t square, and transferring here 2 also here, it comes out to be 29.4 into 2 divided by 9.8, and also this t, and this is what, t square, student. T cancel out, so 4.9 decimal cancel out, 294 by 49, and here that is what, t, 7 7 ja 7 4 ja 1, 7 2 ja 7, 6 ja, so t, which is equal to what, 6 seconds. So student, total time taken by the ball to return to the thrower hand, net displacement of the ball is 0. Ball is thrown in vertical upward direction with a negative velocity, because in the question, according to condition of the question, in upward direction velocity is taken to be negative, and acceleration either upward or downward, which is taken to be what, positive. And after solving, h equal to ut plus half gt square, and solving this, total time taken by the ball to return to the thrower end, which is t equal to 6 seconds.